This is Randall Neighbors. I'm at 455 Skyline Drive, Center Point, Texas. It's August 27th, 2024. I'm doing a flow test of this hall bath toilet after the reconfiguration of the plumbing at the back of the house where the two lines meet from each toilet. The problem we had is it took 12 to 14 flushes to move a load from this toilet into the wet well. And since the reconfiguration, I've had two tests where it took 3 on one test and 2 on the other. So this is flush number 2. We're just doing a third test to see if we get the same results 3 times. Here we go, flush number 2. Flush number 2. Here it comes. Here it comes, the whole load. It appears I was right in my hypothesis that the angle at the back of the house was just too severe. It was just destroying the energy in the flow, and thus it was taking, one time it took 14 flushes. I tested 2 other times, it took 12 flushes. And the first one that was 14, I had done 12 flushes on the hall bath toilet, and then I did 2 on the master bath, because that toilet will deliver its load in 2 or 3 flushes consistently. And so I just stopped after 12 flushes because I was tired of flushing it. So anyway, that master bath toilet will clear the line, so I just stopped at 12, thought that was enough. Anyway, this pretty much concludes this flush number 2. I will record one more flush number 3, just to make sure everything's cleared out of the line. Anyways, I think this pretty much conclusively proves that it was that pipe at the back of the house. Flush number 2, cleared the line, over and out.